Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about another problem. It's 551, a reverse string part 2. So let us read the description what it says. So given a string s and integer k, reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters counting from start of the string. Okay. If there are fewer than k characters left, reverse all of them. If there are less than 2k but greater than or equals to k characters, then reverse the first k characters and leave them as original. Let us see the example and we'll understand better what it says. So suppose we have k, suppose we have a string, this one, k equals to 2. So reverse the k first k characters of this one after like for every 2k characters. So means ab first will do reverse it will become ba. Then for 2k others thing will not do anything. CB will keep it like that only. Then another EF will do FE, and for G will do G. So it is given that if there are fewer than k characters left, reverse all of them. If there are less than 2k or 2k but greater than or equals to k characters, then reverse the first k characters and leave the others original. Okay, that is already given. So ABCD is there, k equals to 2, B will be given like BA and CD will be happening here. The constants are something like this. Put under the power 4 the range of s dot length, and s consists only the lowercase English letters. So the k also varies from 1 to 10 to the power 4. Okay, so let us see how we can do this approach. And then we'll write the code for this one. So let us try to understand the approach. The approach is very simple. I'll just erase this. Okay. So okay, I'll just check this one also. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, so we have already given this string. Okay, let us consider this as okay, and k equals to 2 we have already given. So what is the approach? Approach is very simple, that we are going to be simply iterating into this loop. Okay, we'll be incrementing by how much? By 2k we'll be incrementing our for loop, because initially suppose this string this one is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, these are the indexes. So first we'll be having a look into this, then we'll skip this 3 and we'll be starting our iteration from 4. Okay, so I plus 2k means 4, so 2 into 2 is 4, so we'll be directly jumping at this position. So first we'll do reverse this two part. So how we'll be doing, we'll be having left pointer, right pointer. A left pointer will be where I will be pointing, because for loop it will be starting point. For right it will be I plus, what will be I plus k minus 1. Okay, so I is suppose 0 is there, plus k2 minus 1 is 1, so it will be at the position 1, so which is this one, which is the last one. And then we'll be just reversing using while loop. I'll show you the code also how we'll do the reverse part. So this will be having reversing this one, and main thing is that we from string will be making it to character so that we can easily manipulate them. Okay, and at the end we'll be making that character to string and return it from the original thing. Okay, so this is only the approach. It's quite simple. We will understand better when we write the code for this one. Let us start writing the code for this one. So first we'll be making our character. Okay, character array, and that will be writing as to character array. Okay, once it is done, now what we'll be doing, we'll simply run our for loop. For int equals to 0. Okay, 0 I less than, what will be less than I less than s dot length. I plus plus. Okay, so here I equals to, this will be running, and the first thing what we'll be doing, and this is not I plus plus, actually this will be I equals to I plus equals to 2k. Every 2 times we'll be multiplying, so 2 into k will be doing. Okay, and in this also we'll be having two things, int left which will be nothing but I, int right will be nothing but math dot min of I plus k minus 1, that I already told how it will be I plus k minus 1, and second is s dot length minus 1. Okay, so whatever the minimum will be there, I plus k minus 1 or s dot length minus 1, we'll be taking that. We'll be running our while loop while l less than r. Okay, while l is less than r, we'll be doing two things. First thing is making our character temp equals to, this will be character t equals to ch of l and then ch of l equals to ch of r. Ch of r becomes equals to t. Then what will be doing? We'll be incrementing our l plus plus r minus minus. Once we get out of this right, yes, so we return ch dot to string. That's it. So let us try to run the code and see whether it is correct or not. So there is some issue, let me just check it. So this is successfully done. The only problem was that we need to use the new keyword here instead of directly writing ch2 string. Okay, so we'll be writing some the new keyword string and then we'll be writing the character that we have, character array that we already have here. So that is done. Let us try to submit the code now. It is working fine. So that's it for this video. I hope you got the basic idea of the problem. The problem was simple and you can also try by yourself. There is another part 3 is that we'll be discussing that as well in the future videos. Thank you for watching, guys.